Hey guys, what's up? Let's make a cute little doodle today. Let's take the baskerville brush and select the color, increase the brush size, and here we go. Add color, then duplicate the layer. Take the bonobo chalk brush and enhance the edges with the purple color. Now let's make the continuation of this cube and enhance the edges more. Now taking the 6B pencil and enhancing the edges a little bit more, and now decreasing the opacity of the front layer. Again enhancing the edges with the 6B pencil. Now I'm using the bonobo chalk brush to make the reflection with the white color. Enhancing the edges with a darker color on the back side. Let's make the fun doodly eyes. Enhancing the edges of the eyes with the green bonobo chalk brush. Here are the googly eyes and the teeth. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.